Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders on the Redmi 14R. To create a folder, press and hold on an app you want to add to the folder, then drag it over another app you want to have in the folder, and then release, and it's gonna create a folder. Then you can add more and more apps to it like that. And as you can see, there are some pre-installed folders like this Google one, which you can scroll through because it has many apps. You can also see there's a system apps folder and more folders. And to edit the name of the folder, just click on its name and change it, then approve. And to remove an app from the folder, drag it out of the folder, then put somewhere on the home screen like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.